Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this video, don't forget to like this video, and also to comment if you have anything to comment with. So guys, lana ke ngingathola ke one of the stories that are trending currently athinta ke usiya Kolisi kanye nefamily yakhe, ngizothi ke nonkosikazi wakhe ke uRachel. So Springbok rugby player is trending just because ke uba amnense lapha ukuthi ke they are separating. So Siya Kolisi and his wife Rachel, since it's Tuesday afternoon, they released a joint statement announcing that they have decided to end their marriage. So the shocking news, guys, comes just after the couple returned to South Africa from France after Siya ended his contract at Racing 92. So we remember he had a contract with one of the teams Rapi Lapanage France. So to quote his statement, this decision comes from a place of love, respect, and understanding that this is the best path forward for both of us. While our relationship as a couple is changing, we remain great friends and committed partners in raising our children with the same love and care they've always known. To continue, we will also continue working together on foundation that means so much to us. So yeah, to continue with Nalolu Daba, the couple adored by many first they met in 2012 at a dinner party in Stellenbosch. According to Ama reports, they became friends, and that was at the start of their love story. In 2015, they welcomed their first child, a son Nicholas Siamtanda, and their daughter who was born in 2017. They adopted Siya's young half siblings, Okamalakeke Uliema and Alipelo, in 2014. So due to Siya's busy schedule, Rachel left behind her career as an event manager and a marketing executive to become a full-time mother to their 4 kids. She then later headed up their Kolisi Foundation. Siya and Rachel got married in August 2016 with a beautiful ceremony that was even captured by a top billing camera. We remember lapho siyakumbula ke no Katlego naye wayesakhona ke kwi top billing, if I'm not mistaken, lapha ku SABC2. The couple faced rocky patches together from racial abuse, and even had women reportedly tried to interfere in her marriage. So Rachel has previously taken to social media to slam women for labeling Siya as a type and sending him messages on Instagram that should not be sent to a married man. So last year, Rachel and Siya celebrated their 7th anniversary, and in conversation with Ungesi, he opened up about how Rachel stood by him when he was not in a good place, taking in 2 other children and helping him create a family. So I wanted a family, I longed for a family. She got pregnant, and before Nick was born, we found my brother and sister. She took in 2 kids who couldn't speak a word of English, and I was not in good place. I was living like I had no family. She stayed with me. So the Kolisi's statement did not shed light on the reason behind the split, but they asked for respect as they navigate the transition, and thanked the public for the love, understanding, and support they had shown. So bafowethu bakhona ke abantu ke I think lapha benza ama-assumptions ahlukahlukene ke regarding ukusplitha kwabo ke uRachel and naye lapha ke uSiya Kolisi. But then ke you can comment nawe bafethu ukuthi ke ngokwakho wena ke ikuphi ocabanga ukuthi ngempela ke kulidele ekuthenini ke bagcine bethatha lesi sinqumo. Ngale kwale bafethu ngiyocela ke